paro narah. Tasmad Vaishnava, Asmat Avaishnava. Grihito Vishnu Dikhako, one who receives Vishnu mantra from Guru and following the rules and regulations of the Shastra and chanting Vishnu mantra, and he is called Vaishnava. So, the Sanskrit word is saying Grihito Vishnu Dikhako, Vishnu Puja Paro Naraha, iti Vaishnava. One who worships Shiva is called Saiva. One who chants Shiva mantra, Om Namah Shivaya, they are called Saiva. One who worships Devi Durga Kali, they are called Shakta. And one who worships Surya, sun god, they are called Saura. And one who worships Ganesh, they are called Ganapatta. And one who worships Vishnu, they are called Vaishnava. And so Vaishnava means one who chants Vishnu mantra. He is called Vaishnava. Simple. Understand this?
But there's 26 qualities of a Vaishnava.
That is the later will be said. But in the beginning, 26 qualities will not manifested in the heart of the devotee. In the beginning, not possible. Then slowly. This is the qualification. Kripalu, Akdadohar, Satta, Samasar, Vadanno, Kovi, Daksha, Mauni. These are the 26 qualities of Vaishnava. But in the beginning, one who chants Vishnu mantra is called Vaishnava, simple. Our Mahaprabhu also told, one who chants holy names, Jar mukhe suni ek Krishna naam, tahake janiyo tumi Vaishnava. One who chants one Krishna naam is also called Vaishnava. There is that thing. But one Krishna name means Suddha holy names, pure holy names. That means he should to give up all the offenses of the chanting of the holy names. Namaparad. Or one who Nirantar, always chanting holy names, he is called Madhyamadhikari Vaishnava, intermediate Vaishnava. और जहार देखिले ऐसे कृष्ण नाम कहा के जानिए तुम्ही वैष्णव प्रधान. And just to take his darshan, holy names manifest in your heart, that is called Uttam Vaishnava. So jahar darshan ऐसे कृष्ण नाम. As like Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he traveled in South India, understand? Then if just taking darshan to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, everybody chanted Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. So giving this is Uttam Mahabhagavat example. So 3 categories of Vaishnavas. And one who chants holy names, he is also Vaishnava. Or Nirantar, mane continuously, always chanting holy names. He is called Madhyamadhikari, intermediate devotees of this Vaishnava. Or Uttamadhikari is always absorbed in the Ashtakalin Leela. Uttamadhikari Vaishnava. Actually, this is called Uttam Adhikar. So saying this, Jahare Dekhile Aise Krishna Naam, कहा कि जानिए तुम ही वैष्णव प्रधान. This is the process. Step by step, everybody have to realize this. But is when you chant holy names, should we give up the 10 offenses of the holy names? What this God saying? And you have to consider 10 offenses of the holy names. Dasavidha Namaparad Tag. Give up the 10 offenses. But first 3 are very prominent. Shatang Ninda, never criticize any sadhu. Second, never think Krishna Naam equals Shiva Naam. Krishna, who is the Supreme Personality of Godhead and Bhagavan. Third, Guru Abhagga, never dishonor to Guru, never give up Guru and never give up Harinam. It's simple, step by step. So general meaning is Vaishnava. Who is Vaishnava? Jahar Grihito Vishnu Dikhako Vishnu Puja Paro Nara. Vaishnava with Avita. Vitaru Smarada Avaishnava. Those who are not chanting Vishnu mantra, they are not Vaishnava. So Vaishnava is there. Then,
The other Babuji's question was like, how do we know who is an authentic sadhu, who is a bona fide sadhu, and with whom to associate or with whom to not associate? Is this a question?
Bona fide Vaishnava.
Bona fide Vaishnava, yes.
How do we recognize? Because if somebody is chanting and he's calling him Vaishnava, but he might be doing some other things. How do we recognize it?
what is he doing?
Like, I mean,
Hmm?
might not have given up all the offenses yet.
No, if you not give up the offenses, you should not associate with them. Those who committed offense, criticize to Vaishnava, they are called Vaishnava Aparad. So no need to associate with them. Associate with the Vaishnava, those are always observe with Krishna Nam, Krishna Katha. Associate with them. This is the
There's no aparad if you don't associate.
No, association, two things are doing. One is called Lokik Vyavahar. Lokik Vyavahar, worldly behave. And another is called Paramarthik Vyavahar, spirituality. Lokik Vyavahar you should do everyone. This is also need because you are staying in this material world. So you have to Lokik Vyavahar. And look at it. Give respect, give food, prasad, honor. This is called Lokik Vyavahar. Worldly way. And Paramarthik spirituality, no need to talk with Krishna Katha. These two things. One is called Lokik Vyavahar and is called Paramarthik Vyavahar. Lokik Vyavahar, it is very important. Otherwise you cannot live in this material world. Is it devotee or non-devotee, no problem. But you have to Lokik Vyavahar. Give respect to him, honor to him, give prasad to him. Our Paramarthik spirituality is not Vaishnava. No need talk with about Krishna Katha, Krishna Nam. What is he doing? Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada also explained. 3 times you can give chance to speak, chanting holy name, give advice. 3 times. Understand? Okay, everybody have to chant holy names. If you not following your instruction, no need. Otherwise, mind will be disturbed. Disturbance will come. Understand? So this is the process. Okay, what time will go inside?
Boarding at bus 10, it's 8.
But you will be there also immigration, no?
Yeah, something will be there.
You can go through the
Huh?
Rudev, do you have any final instructions for me?
Huh? You preach and speak Harikatha. Learn to how to speak Harikatha. If you speak Harikatha, need some slokas. Learn some slokas. It is, you have Slokamrita books. Slokamrita books you have. This Slokamrita you write. There is your Guru Tattva, Vaishnava Tattva, and Krishna Tattva, Bhakti Tattva, Prem Tattva. All you learn some verses. No need to all verses, but some verses. Guru Tattva, some verses. You learn some verses from Vaishnava Tattva. If you speak Harikatha, need some slokas. Very important. And speak also need some small story. For this regard we manifested the story book. Understand? Yeah. So then people they can understand. Because people they not to enter the deep philosophy. Those who are newcomer people, they not understand the philosophy. Understand? If you speak very simple stories. And one day I told that the story of two parrots in Vikramaditya. Understand? Remember this story. And one parrot he bought and 300 rupees, another parrot 3,000. Okay. So with the expensive parrot put in the front door, and he speaks very sweet words. Agachantu Mahabhaga, and oh gentle persons, and please come, welcome to you. Understand? Very sweet words. Prabhasitam, Sanskrit word. You have to speak very sweet, eloquent words, charming words. Then people will be. So in the same way that bird, parrot, speak very nice sweet words. Then king is very happy. Then another parrot he put in the back door, and that parrot and spoke very harsh words, stupid, nonsense, rascal. Why you have come here? Da, 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 da. Shouting. Then Vikramaditya become very angry. He gave order to his, what is called?
Executioner.
Execution person, cut his head. And that time front door, and parrot he told, and O king, listen my advice. And I pray to you. Well, what is that? Well, both we are same brother. Both we are same brother. We born in the same nest. And same our parents. But one sadhu, and I was in this, staying with sadhu, saintly person. So saintly person, he spoke very nice, sweet Sanskrit, eloquent words. For this regard, I learned everything from sadhu. There is sadhu somewhere. Or my brother, and he also cut by one locust people. Understand? Those who are use very harsh words. So he associated the locust people. For this regard, and my brother, he spoke these things. But oh my king, your honor, you give the chance, my brother, and how will get to association sadhu. With the association sadhu, he will speak sweet words. So sadhu sang. So this saying, for this regard, the title or moral about the story, Satsange Sargavas, Asatsange Sarvanas. If we associate with sadhu, they will attain the highest planet. Or if we associate with the bad person, then we won't go to the hell. This is the moral. Yeah. This is the process. So for this year Shastra saying, always associate with sadhu. Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Shastra, Navamatra Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Siddhi. Then your one word pravachan automatically you are finished. Look at it. So, mundane people, they want to listen the story. They easy to understand. Then I give example also. One rotten potato put on the sacks of potato. Then within few days, all the potatoes will be rotten. Why? Because one rotten potato destroy all the potatoes. So asat sangha destroy your life. So always we should be avoid the asat sangha, bad people. So for this regard, we manufacture this book. Understand? This, you have done this? Okay.
9 remaining passengers on Air New Zealand flights 947.
Yeah.
9 remaining passengers on Air New Zealand flights 947. You must go immediately to gate 10. Your aircraft is ready to depart. All other passengers
When I come to India,
Huh?
when I come to India, I'll bring a suitcase and bring books back.
Okay. Okay, let's go.